So you started making candles, you started making melts, you started experimenting with things and realizing what works and what doesn't. Or maybe you haven't figured out what works. I know it took me a long time. Now, when I first started, I heard only horrible things about one place: never buy your stuff from Amazon. Well, you know what? I got something for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon to build a fully professional wax melt. Every ingredient, every tool you need, sourced, tested, and used the right way. This isn't guesswork. This is about knowing exactly what to buy, why it matters, and how it turns into a consistent and high quality product. Why we're working with the right wax, the precise temperature control, which is 73 degrees in here, properly measured fragrance loads, and the fragrance oil. I remember in my last video I said I couldn't find the right fragrance oil. Well, hang on, watch this later. I'll show you exactly the fragrance oil I got. All right. We're going to show the polished fresh pour, and by the end of this, we're going to have a crisp, clear, clean, pristine, hot throwing wax melt. Thank you for joining. All right, now we're going to take our meat thermometer. It's about time. I've been checking this while we were out on break. And it takes a little bit. We're at 179, 180. All right, 185. And this is the Direct Candle Supplies Tarts and Melts wax. Bring it to 185. Then we're going to take our purple dye chips. We're going to put a couple in there because we're doing that pretty lilac scent. All right, we're going to take our trusty Amazon white spoon. All right, and it's going to start mixing in. Now this is going to turn a light purplish color. I'm not going for anything super dark. And there goes the fragrance oil. Now, since I brought it down to about 182, now I slowly pour it in. You want to get all of it in, let it drip in. You don't want to waste any. That's why I use glass. Plastic, it'll stick. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and pour this in here, nice and steady. I like to pour it over the bridges. Each one of these is 2.5 ounces. Ooh, that was a little fast. There we go. This should be a nice, pretty light purplish color. Now, write down in the comments if you think this is a nice color for lilac, or you think maybe I should have gone a little darker. Also, write down in the comments if any of this stuff you want to know exactly how I got it on Amazon. Just write in the comments, and I'll show you how to get there and do that. I'm not linking it in this video because I'm not an affiliate. All right, now we're back after a couple hours. The wax melts have solidified. They smell great. Not to only mention, we did get the clamshells from Amazon, and not to even joke, I told you every tool we used would be from Amazon. This table was from Amazon and got it on sale. So if we haven't beat the myth yet that Amazon doesn't create a quality product, you can't really smell or test these right now, but go ahead, try my recipe, and then tell me I'm a liar.